Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is 3 glamorous high-end DIYs. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright DIY Glamettes, let's get this DIY project started. Alright you guys, we're going to be taking these 3 ceiling fan globes. You heard me correctly, ceiling fan globes with their odd shape, and we're going to be painting them with this Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint, and we're going to be using gems. Now once we get all 3 of these pieces painted, we're going to jump right back into this DIY. And if you're watching, please make sure you subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY if you already haven't. Now these are my globes painted, and I decided to use this diamond rhinestone sheets. I've cut my sheet starting off into strips of 2, and I'm going to layer the lip of this globe first. And to you guys, I do have some collaboration info inside of this video, along with the winner of that Totally Dazzled giveaway. And you guys, I did paint the outside of this globe as well. And if you're using any of your self-adhesive sheets or strips for decor accessories, you be very careful because the adhesive will actually peel off the paint. But I'm just going to continue to layer around the outside lip of this globe. And all I'm continuing to do is to layer the outside lip of this globe. Hello DIYers and content creators. If you would like to collab with me, Glam Queen of DIY, for this 2022 year, email me at glamqueenofdiy@gmail.com, and that email link is in the description box also. And please make sure you title your email YT 2022 collab. I know I'm running a little behind, and I have several collaborations that I will be hosting for this 2022 year. And if you would like to take part in any of them with me, just email me and I'll get back in touch with you with the collaborations in the email. Also, make sure you do send me an email if you do want to be a participant in that face-off challenge. I am gearing it back up for the remainder of this 2022 year, and I look forward to hearing from each and every one of you. Thank you guys so very much. Once again, the email is glamqueenofdiy@gmail.com. Title that email YT 2022 collab. I hope to hear from all of you fabulous DIYers and glamorous content creators. Now back to the scheduled DIY video at hand. And this is what the trim looks like on the outside lip of this globe. You guys, this is so gorgeous. I'm going to continue to fill in this little gap and completely close up this trim. I'm also going to be adding this same diamond trim to other places on this vase to continue to elevate it. And if you're still watching and you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, please make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Also tap that bell twice so you'll be notified every time that I do upload. And here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you get a lot of glam DIYs. If you like glam high-end DIY room decor and home decorating ideas with a little bit of budget renovations as well, this is the channel for you. And all of my DIYs are featured on the Glam Queen of Decor, so please make sure you subscribe to both of these channels. Now I have started to add that 2-row of that diamond trim as well to the lip portion on the outer edge of this globe as well. And again, I'm being very careful not to use my adhesive to pull up my paint. So I'm trying to make sure I carefully lay this down, especially since this globe is cut on a steep angle. So I'm just making sure I line this up perfectly. And now that I've finished that, you guys, this is what it looks like with that lip and that lip edging line with that diamond rhinestone. Now I'm going to also layer 4 rows of that diamond rhinestone down the front facing of this vase. And now that I have completed that, this is what this vase is looking like. And I'm still not through, you guys. But once again, if you're not subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button now. Now I'm going to also trim out the back portion of this vase as well with a 2-row strip of that diamond rhinestone adhesive. And you guys, this just took this vase up so many levels. It is gorgeous. So when you're coming across light fixture globes, please don't discard them. I think a lot of DIYs, when you're using unconventional items, normally turn out to be the very, very best DIY decor that you can create. And to you guys, I am using a live comment picker for the Totally Dazzled sweepstakes giveaway. Thank you everyone for all of your faithful love and support. Be mindful, you will be getting quite a few of these Totally Dazzled giveaways along with other giveaways for products that I am going to be sponsoring. And as I'm entering in, it says I have 13 that followed the complete rules and regulations, and the lucky winner for this giveaway is Samantha Scott. Thank you, Samantha. Samantha, you have 24 hours to respond to me so you can get that giveaway. If not, I'll be doing another drawing. So Samantha, congratulations. And two, if you're liking these DIYs that I'm creating for you, drop me a comment down in the comment section. Bring it on, and I'll still know you're liking these DIYs. And two, if you're loving this gold DIYs, comment gold in the description. I am going to be bringing you some DIYs from my upcoming wedding series. Be on the lookout for that as well. Now this is what the back of that globe looks like with that 2-row strip of that diamond adhesive. And this is just a full view of what this globe looks like. You gotta see it styled. Drop me a comment if you think this would be styled in my home or in someone else's home. But here are all 3, you guys. And these vases are truly, truly, truly gorgeous.